Welcome to our 2024 walking tour of San Francisco's Twin Peaks and Stowe Lake. Hello!
Hello!
What's going on today?
It's my birthday today, and we're going to San Francisco to spend the day with Andy and little touristing things.
Yes, it's yours and Andy's birthday today. Our yearly double birthday celebration in San Francisco.
I'm 61 and he's 93.
61 and 93 is how much? 154 between the two of you. So we'll have a birthday lunch in his place today, and maybe birthday dinner too. Okay?
Yeah.
I will see you both later. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
We're here at the iconic Twin Peaks in San Francisco. Those two hills there with people on top of them are the Twin Peaks. You can see there's some people on this one here on the right, the one's closer to us, and also some people. It's a very common activity to climb up those hills. And you can see there in the background, that's Daly City, all that houses there. This is the south of San Francisco. And that's San Bruno Mountains back there. And it's a little hazy, but if I continue panning here, you will see there's the San Francisco Bay. We'll continue here. And here's downtown San Francisco over here. See the San Francisco skyline, and the tallest building up there right in the middle of the screen is of course the Salesforce Tower, which was built in the last, I want to say 10 years. And across the bay, that's the East Bay. There's, you can see the Bay Bridge over there that goes to Oakland. Goes through Treasure Island and goes to Oakland. And as I continue moving here, you can see downtown San Francisco, and that diagonal big street there is the main street that goes through the city. It's Market Street. I actually drove from there through there. Oh, you can see City Hall. So if I zoom in, that round pointy thing that on top, that's City Hall right there, right in the middle of the screen. There's right above it, slightly to the left, is the Transamerica Pyramid. To the right of that is the dark building, is the Bank of America building, which was for years the tallest building in the city, until this one here to the right, the Salesforce Tower, was constructed. There's downtown San Francisco again, and there is Alcatraz, and that bigger island just to the left of Alcatraz is Angel Island, right in the middle of the bay. You can actually go there and do a day hike. Oh, and to the left here, of course, is the very famous Golden Gate Bridge. I was there yesterday and took some videos and pictures. Here's another view of the Golden Gate Bridge there. Okay, the marine headlands over there, the hills behind the bridge. That's really, really nice. You can go towards the top and get some really nice pictures of and videos of the bridge. Yeah, that's actually my favorite spots across. Just warning that to come back here, you will have to pay the bridge toll. I don't know how much it is now. It used to be like $5, $7, $9, I don't know. Okay, one last look at downtown San Francisco before I leave and drive to the Golden Gate Park. We are here in one of my favorite places in the city, the Golden Gate Park. Specifically, it's the Stowe Lake, where I used to come at least once a week, mostly on weekends, to just enjoy the park, walk our dog, and just enjoy. This park is free, of course, and there's always plenty of parking, and nice place to get some exercise, go for a morning walk or an afternoon walk, or pretty much walk anytime you want. Here are some more paddle boats. I don't see the rowboats, but this is a place where you can rent them. Also a place to get some snacks. So it looks like a four-seater is $32.50 per hour, and a three-seater is $26 per hour per boat. So you rent the boat, it's not per person. Oh, here's an example of a rowboat. They're really not easy to maneuver. I tried them before. I think the paddle boats are more fun if you have a group of 4 people. That island in the middle of the lake is, they call Strawberry Hill. We like taking the dog there. There's fewer people who go in there, so we can get the dog off leash. So let's go and try and see what's there. I think we're gonna see the waterfalls as well as the Chinese pavilion. We just keep there's 2 loops. There's an outer loop that we're on right now. I think the outer loop is about, I don't know, a mile and a half, because we frequently go outside and then a little bit of inside to get our 2-mile walk. So this is one of the couple of entrances to kind of go into the inner loop. So as you can see, there's plenty of parking all around the lake. So you can park anywhere you want and start your walk anywhere you want and go around outside the outside loop or the inside loop. So we are walking the inner loop right now. The difference is the outer loop is paved with concrete. This one here, it's dirt. So I think dogs like walking on dirt better than pavement, because pavements can get really hot and also they're hard on their paws. Dirt is softer and dirt doesn't get as hot. Oh yeah, just like that. Pikachu, our dog before, she liked drinking water here, but I don't think the water is particularly clean, so we always yell at her whenever she tried to do that, and she knew better. So here's the man-made waterfalls here. It goes from the top of Strawberry Hill and down here, and I think the water just circulates and there must be a pump somewhere. Uh-oh, I want to go there to the Chinese pavilion, but they're actually watering. Okay, let's walk very quickly before this water turns around and gets us wet. Hope I don't slip. Let's pause. There's the Chinese pavilion. Perfect place for, they have tables and places to sit while you're looking at the ducks over here to our left. There are many other places I would like to take you if we had more time. Worth checking out, of course, is the Striving Arboretum. It's a very nice collection of plants from all over the world. It's huge, right in the middle of the city, right in the middle of the Golden Gate Park. And there's the Conservatory of Flowers. There's the Japanese tea garden and many other fields and meadows inside the Golden Gate Park where you can visit. I don't have a lot of time. I have to go go back to my friend's house to celebrate a birthday lunch. What's going on?
We're going to get Thai food for our birthday celebration.
Okay, so we're going to Bentai Cafe and order some things to go. So
On
we
Polk
can
Street.
on Polk Street, like
Between Bush and Pine.
between Bush and Pine, to get it to go and take it to Andy's, our friend's apartment, and we're gonna have lunch there. Let's go in. So this is Andy's apartment. We're going inside now. I need to go. Oh, I don't have the key. Yes. And is he in the third floor?
Yeah.
So need to go up those stairs. There's no elevators. Going into Andy's unit here. Happy birthday, Andy! Hold on, let me close the door, okay? Happy birthday, Andy. I'm doing a video. Hi, Andy. This is our very good friend, good man Andy. And you're turning how young today? How young are you turning today?
93.
93, and he still looks like a baby. He doesn't even have his hair yet.
And he's got his baby fat too.
Yes, baby fat
Yes.
too. So it's the two of them, Dave and Andy, are celebrating their birthdays. They have the same exact birthday today. How many years apart? 32 years
32
apart.
years.
And you've been celebrating your birthdays together for how many years?
Well, probably 32 years.
No, it's before that.
No, 84,
84.
85,
39.
yeah, 39.
39 years they've been celebrating their birthday. And today we're celebrating by having lunch here in Andy's apartment. We got Thai
The
food.
birthday call.
Oops, yep, he's gonna be busy today. All got noodles. Mine's here. Chicken pad thai. Yours is, what is that?
Vegetable tofu Thai, pad Thai.
Vegetable tofu pad thai. And that one there is tofu pad siu, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bon appetit. I'm hungry. The birthday celebration.
Yes.
So it's happy 104th birthday. Maybe I should say 54th. 154th birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andy and Dave. Happy birthday to you. Yay! No cake because Andy's trying to stay away from sugar, so we have no cake. And Dave too. No, we generally don't buy cake for birthdays anyway. Okay, I'm hungry. Noodles for long life. That's what it means. And if you're getting fat noodles like yours, Andy, you're gonna be long and fat life. Bon appetit. Oh my God, he's really eating away. I better start eating.